Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE on Boost Mobile. This is Samsung's fan edition flip phone, giving you a foldable design at a much lower price than a flagship. Boost Mobile lists it for $899.99, and if you qualify, you can finance it with a 36-month plan at 0% APR. Boost also offers Boost Protect with a $29 screen repair deductible. Now let's get into what you get with the Flip 7 FE. The main display is 6.7 inches, using FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X, and the cover screen on the outside is 3.4 inches with Super AMOLED. For cameras, you get a 50-megapixel main, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel front camera. The battery is 4,000 mAh, and it supports 25-watt super-fast charging. You get 8 GB of RAM, with either 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage. It runs the Exynos 2400 processor, and you get all the modern connectivity: 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 7, USB 3.2, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. It also comes with Android 16, Galaxy AI, and Samsung Wallet. As for size, when it's folded, it measures about 3.35 by 2.8, 3 by 0.59 inches. And when it's open, it's 6.5 by 2.83 by 0.27 inches. The weight is 6.59 ounces. Now here are the pros. First, it's compact and stylish. When you open it, that 6.7-inch screen feels like a normal big phone. But when you fold it up, it's super portable. It has good performance for everyday apps, solid cameras, and the software support gives it long-term value. Galaxy AI and Samsung Wallet also add features you don't always see at this price. But there are some trade-offs. The 4,000 mAh battery could be better for a foldable, and the 25-watt charging isn't the fastest. The cover screen works well, but it's smaller than some competing flip phones. And because this is the fan edition, you aren't getting Samsung's top chip. So who is this phone for? It's great for anyone wanting to try a foldable without paying flagship prices. It's also good for people who want a stylish phone that's still easy to pocket, and for everyday users who just want a fun, modern device with solid features. To wrap this up, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE on Boost Mobile is a foldable that balances price, style, and performance. If you've been curious about trying a flip phone, this could be a smart way to start. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below whether you'd use a flip phone or stick with a regular slab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.